Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. This is Hybrid Plus channel, and in this video I want to talk about the DC motor, which is useful for the EVs. So we have two types of the DC. One of them is the brushless and the second one is the brush DC motor. What is the brush at the DC motor? It transfers electric current to the armature through physical contact with the commutator. And what is the commutator? Commutator applies electric current to the windings. Each motor has a windings to produce electricity. So let's see the component of the brushless DC motor. It has a stator, rotor, permanent magnet and Hall effect sensor. The duty of the Hall effect sensor is to show the exact position of the mechanical component at the specific time. And the brush DC motor component is the commutator. It has a commutator, brush. This is the main difference between the brushless and the brushed, according to the name also. Then it has a permanent magnet and a wound armature. The wound armature, the brushless DC motor also it has it, but it's with the cover, you cannot see properly at the photo. But both of them, they have this common component, but the difference is the brushes. So in here, the brush DC motor, the definition of it is that a brush DC motor has permanent magnet inside its outer body with a rotating armature inside. What is the rotor and what is the stator? The stator, it's a permanent magnet that's surrounding the motor, and the rotor, it's the electric magnet with armature of wiring that electricity passing through them. And you see the coils that are rotating. The blue one is the N pole and the red one is the S pole. So that the brush, it transfers the electricity and it will change the polarity. It will change the polarity. That's why the coils will rotate and the electricity will produce. And then we have brushless DC motor. The DC motor do not use the brushes. The main difference with the brush DC, according to the name, also you know the difference. And the brushes deliver current through the commutator into the coils on the rotor. But the brushless DC motor consists of a motor, body and a driver, and is a typical mechatronic product. Brushless motor refers to a motor without brushes and commutator. As you can see in here, we have the permanent magnet, which has a S pole and N pole, and there is it's three phase, actually three phase, so each one of them also there is a magnet. So when it's becoming near to the N pole, the S pole, it will actuate at the next magnet. That's why it's the polarity, it will change with the help of the main magnet at the middle. If the N pole and N will be like in one direction, so they will reject each other. In here you can see the EVs that the China made it. Actually, it's going through the water. It's made in China and very specific style of the vehicle. It's working, like a little bit can say better than the IC engine, but like if you want to compare it with the Toyota Cruiser or Nissan Patrol, it can goes okay, but at the front it can rotate 360 degrees also in the water, which is the main good idea for this type of the EV. It's happening because the motor, it has a specific cover that the water it can goes inside it, and there is many other structure, specific structure that the vehicle can moves to the water. Thank you to watch my videos, and if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and like the video, also press the bell button. Thank you so much for your time.